Hey guys, this is Brian. Just a sequence for you to understand. You turn on the gas inside the trailer and you go back outside and you turn the gas on at the unit, waiting for the green light. I just heard the relay click. And you come around to the Truma rotary switch. In my case, it's right above the, oh, and then the light turned on. And then you turn on your water. And that joker is running, hear it? That's it. All the best, and special thanks to Chantal for figuring this out, and John Mullins for giving me a call back.